today we're going to do a fabulous fabric haul, and also I'm showing you how I make my masala chai tea, because if you saw last week's video, I mentioned how I was going to make my masala chai tea at the end. I'm like obsessed with masala chai tea right now, so I have to show you guys how I make it. I grab a bowl and I pour milk and all the spices. See in many different recipes. It's basically black tea, your choice of milk, and a ton of spices, and the fresher the better it will taste. So we have our tea and we have the fabrics right here. This is like the strongest bag ever. I am super excited to show you this massive haul that I only spent $7 on. Literally $7 for all these fabrics that I'm about to show you. It's seriously such a true haul, and I got them from Fabscrap. I'll tell you all the info about Fabscrap, where to go, how to volunteer, and how to participate in this very cool organization. You're also going to see the sort of palette that I have, and as I show you them, I'll tell you sort of what I have in mind for these beautiful fabrics. Okay, so first off, I bought all these denims, and they came in a pack, so I only paid $1, literally $1 for all these square denim fabrics. It's incredible. It's so nice and stiff, and then denim feels warm and strong. The weave here is incredible, and it's such a beautiful navy blue. But do you see how I keep going and going and going and going and going? I literally, seriously, I paid $1 for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of these pieces of denim. 10 pieces for $1. On the side note, yeah, it was $1, but it was $1 paying for super high quality fabric. You can just feel it as you touch it. What will I do with this fabric? I have yet to figure it out right now. I'm thinking about a surface design, and surface design is pretty much what I have throughout all these fabrics that I got. Because I love sewing, guys. Like, I really like sewing, but more than anything, I love textiles, and I love experimenting with embroidery, with weaving, with knitting. So we'll see how we'll combine different textile techniques to integrate illustrations into these fabrics. The next one up is stretchy. It's heavy. Not too heavy, but it has a nice drape, and it's firm also, but very soft. I don't know what type of fabric this is, but please make sure to click right below in the description where I have the link to my written blog post. There you'll see pictures of all these fabrics, and you will be able to write in the comments and let me know what you think these fabrics are, because I do know that denim, I know I have neoprene and linen, but there's other fabrics in here that I'm not sure what they are. So if you could help me out and write in the comments below what you think these fabrics are, that would be amazing. I chose this nude scrap. It's long, and it says here it's a double weave beige, because Fabscrap gathers their fabrics from post-commercial waste. A lot of these fabrics are either cut up or have old tags, and these tags will let you know what color it is, what type of fabric. And do you imagine a really nice, bright, intense colors and an intricate pattern? This just inspires me to create, having all these fabrics. Next up, you're gonna see more color. I began to think of color, and I chose these 3 colors. 2 are in the pink and bright orange, and then the next one is blue. But why am I just telling you? Let me show you. This is a blush pink, and it's also stretchy, and it would make for a beautiful skirt, right? It's so nice and stretchy. I love the feeling of it, the color. I was pretty much drawn to the color because it is spring here. It is spring here in New York, so I wanted to choose something that is nice. And I always, like those 2 past neutrals that I showed you, I always tend to choose neutrals. So I wanted to like push myself to choose bright colors, which after choosing this one, I chose. I know, it's like a neon. It's a bright neon, and it's very stiff and strong. I can make a pillow out of this. I can make a cushion out of it. See the texture of it. It's really nice, and I'm really happy that I pushed myself to choosing this color because I do love bright colors, but I just tend to always choose neutrals. Whereas like when I create for us my illustrations, my embroidery, I choose color. So I wanted to make sure that these fabrics have a color. Alright, so this one is color. Oh, wait, don't forget about it. So this, you already saw it. So this is like the linen that I found, and this is just really nice pastel blue, perfect for spring, and it's enough for me to make a top out of it, a short sleeve top. But as you touch it, you feel how soft it is. It was such a nice choice. Light, it's lightweight, perfect for summer, for spring. I really loved this purchase. But neoprene. So this is neoprene. It's this beautiful eggplant color. It's dark and soft, and it's just like when I saw it, my eyes were drawn to it. And I remember Joanna, if you're watching this video, my friend Joanna was there and she helped me grab it because, guys, I'm 5'2". She's also my height, I think, but we both needed to like tippy toe up to grab it. This one I went for a nice warm tone, and this tone is so pretty. It feels so nice on the skin. See what this beautiful fabric ends up being. If it ends up being an accessory, furnishing, clothing, a blanket, bag, we'll see. But it has a ton of potential, and not just this one, but all the fabrics that I bought have so much potential and are so beautiful that I was like completely super happy when I came out of Fabscraps with all these fabrics. And to be honest, I had to tell myself to stop. I was there and I just wanted to keep shopping, but then, you know, let me know if you struggle with this. Like, I'm the type to like to get a ton of fabric and then feel super inspired, but then it's like never enough time to create. So I told myself, Kara, you can do this. Focus. Just take what you need, create something from there, and then continue shopping for more. You guys, of course, will be part of the process, and I will show you along the way what I create with these fabrics. It's so hard not to stop yourself from like saying, oh, what's this? Oh, what's this? Let me have this. Let me have that. And it's like, focus. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to create some beautiful things and then go back and shop. You guys, as always, thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you've enjoyed this fabric haul. And to learn more about Fabscraps, I've written down below in the description all the information there. You'll have a link to their website, a link to an interview that I did with their founder and co-founder. Plus, I hope that you've enjoyed seeing me make my masala chai tea. I'd like to tell you how you can get fabrics from Fabscraps. So if you haven't heard of Fabscraps yet, They're a non-profit textile recycling organization, and what they do is that they work with businesses, fashion businesses pretty much, and they recycle their commercial textile waste, and they bring it to their facility, and they have volunteers that help them out sort the fabrics. And with these fabrics, you as a maker, an artist, a designer, a brand that wants to produce clothing from these recycled fabrics, but all these fabrics you can either buy from their website or come over to their Brooklyn warehouse and volunteer. You can get 5 pounds of fabric for free. So you help out this amazing organization and can get your fabrics. But if, let's say, you live far away like California or Belgium, you can still buy their fabrics online and help out this amazing organization to help reduce textile waste. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, click on the bell so you can always be notified as to when I upload new videos. I'll see you guys next time. There's a lot more that I want to say, but then the video will be super long, so just click into my blog post and you can read everything there and next weekend.